Good day, people. So for today's video, I will discuss to you the game rules of softball. Softball is a bat and ball sport played between two teams of 10 players. It is a direct descendant of baseball, although there are some key differences. Softball are larger than baseball, and the pitches are thrown underhand over or rather than overhand. Softball is played on a smaller diamond than in baseball. Rule number 1, definition. Altered bat. A bat is altered when the physical structure of a legal bat has been changed. Appeal play. A live or dead ball appeal is a play or situation on which an umpire cannot make a decision unless requested by a manager, coach, or player of the non-offending team. Ball compression. Ball compression is the load force in kilograms or pounds required to compress a ball 6.5 millimeters or 0.25 inches when measured in accordance with the ASTM or American Society for Testing and Materials test method for measuring compression displacement of softball. Defensive team. The defensive team is the team in the field. Delayed dead ball. A delayed dead ball is a game situation in which the ball remains alive until the conclusion of a play. Designated player or DP or SP only. Designated player is a starting offensive player who bats in the lineup for the flex player, listed in the 10th position on the lineup card. Dislodge base. A dislodge base is a base displaced from its proper position. Double play. A double play is a play by the defense in which two defensive or two offensive players are legally put out as a result of continuous action. Dugout. The dugout is an area in dead ball territory designated for players, coaches, bat boys or girls, and official representatives of the team only. Ejection from the game. Ejection is the act of any umpire ordering a player, official, or any team member to leave the game and the grounds for a rule violation for the remainder of the game. Fair territory. Fair territory is that part of the playing field within and including the first and third baseball foul lines from home base to the bottom of the extreme playing field fence and perpendicularly upward. Fake tag. A fake tag is a form of obstruction on a runner while advancing or returning to a base by a fielder who is not in possession of the ball that impedes the progress of the runner. Fielder. A fielder is any defensive player of the team on the field. Fly ball. A fly ball is any ball batted into the air. Force out. A force out is an out which can be made only when a runner loses the right to the base which he is occupying because the batter becomes a batter runner, and before the batter runner or succeeding runner has been put out. Foul territory. Foul territory is any part of the playing field that is not included in fair territory. Home team. The home team is the team on whose grounds the game is played, or if the game is played on. neutral ground, and the home team shall be designated by mutual agreement or by a flip of a coin. The home team shall take the third base dugout and play defense first. Illegal bat. An illegal bat is one that does not meet the requirements of Rule number 3, Section 1. Foul ball. A foul ball is legally batted ball which A. Settles on foul territory between home and first base or between home and third base. B. Bounce pass first or third on and over foul territory. C. First touches on foul territory beyond first or third base. D. While on or over foul territory touches the person, attached or detached equipment or clothing of an umpire or player, or any object foreign to the natural ground. E. Touches the batter or the bat in the batter's hand a second time while the batter is within the batter's box. F. Goes directly from the bat, not higher than the batter's head, to any part of the catcher's body or equipment and is cuffed by another fielder. G. Hits the pitcher's plate and rolls untouched to foul territory before reaching first or third base. Rule number 2, playing field. The playing field, A, is the area within which the ball may be legally played and fielded. Ground or special rules. Ground or special rules establishing the limits of the playing field may be agreed upon by legs or opposing teams whenever backstops, fences, stands, vehicles, spectators, or other obstructions are within the prescribed area. The official diamond shall have baselines and pitching distances as set out in the distance table. Note, if during the game the base distance or the pitching distance is found to be at the wrong distance, correct the error at the start of the next full inning and continue playing the game. Diamond layout. The 1 meter or 3 feet line is drawn parallel to from the baseline, starting at a point halfway between home plate and first base. The batter's on-deck circle is a place adjacent to the end of player's bench or dugout area closest at home plate or to home plate. The batter's box are located on each side of home plate. The lines are considered as being within the batter's box. The catcher's box shall be located to the rear of the batter's boxes. Each coach's box is parallel to the first and third base lines extended from the bases towards home plate. The home plate shall be made of rubber and shall be a 5-sided figure. The sides shall be parallel to the inside lines of the batter's box. The pitcher's plates shall be of rubber. The top of the pitcher's plate shall be level with the ground. The front line of pitcher's plate shall be the distance from the back or point of home plate as set out in the distance table. Rule number 3, equipment. The official bat. The official bat shall be of one-piece construction, multi-piece permanently assembled, or two-piece interchangeable construction. If the bat is designed with the interchangeable component, it must meet the following criteria. Warm-up bat. The warm-up bat must be of one-piece construction, and it shall comply with the safety grip and safety knob requirements of the official bat. It must be marked warm-up in 3.2 cm letters on the barrel end. The barrel end must be in axis of 5.7 centimeters. The official softball. The official softball shall be a regular, smooth seamed, concealed, stitch or flat surface ball. Shall have a center core made of either number 1 quality long fiber kapok, a mixture of cork and rubber, a polyurethane mixture or other materials approved by the ISS equipment. C. It may be hand or machine wound with a fine quality twisted yarn and covered with latex or rubber cement. Gloves and mitts. Any player may wear a glove, but only the catcher and first baseman may use mitts. Shoes. All team members must wear shoes. A shoe shall be considered official if it is made with either canvas or leather uppers or similar materials and is fully enclosed. The soles may be either smooth or have soft or hard rubber cleats. Ordinary metal sole and heel plates may be used if the spikes on the plates do not extend more than 1.9 cm from the sole or heel of the shoe. Shoes with grounded metal spikes are illegal. No hard plastic, nylon, or polyurethane spikes similar to a metal sole and heel plate are allowed in any division at any level of play. Protective equipment. Mask or FP only. All catchers must wear mask, throat protector, and helmet. Mask or SP only. Youth catchers must wear a mask with helmet. Masks are recommended in adult slow pitch. Face mask. Any defensive or offensive player can wear in approved plastic face mask or guard. Body protectors. All catchers in fast pitch, adults and youth must wear a body protector. Female catchers may wear a body protector in slow pitch. Helmets or FP only. Any helmets that are broken, cracked, dented, or altered are prohibited and must be removed from the game. Uniform. All players on a team shall wear uniforms alike in color, trim, and style. Reference to coaches. Reference to coaches' uniform is found under Rule Number 4, Section 1B. Rule 4, Coaches, Players, and Substitutes. Coaches. The head coach is responsible for signing the lineup card. Coaches must be neatly attired, including the wearing of suitable footwear or dress in team uniform in accordance with the color code of the team. If a coach wears a cap, it must be approved headgear. Caps are mandatory for male coaches. An offensive team coach or base coach is an eligible member of the team at bat who takes his place on the field within the coach box. Exception. A coach may leave the coach's box to a signal runner to slide, advance or return to a base, or move out of a fielder's way as long as he does not interfere with the play. Lineup cards and rosters. Official lineup cards are to be completed and submitted to the official scorer and the plate umpire at the start of each game. The plate umpire returns the card for the duration of the game. Starting players. A starting player shall be official when the lineup card is inspected and approved by the plate umpire and team representative at the pre-game meeting. Re-entry. Any of the starting players may be substitute and re-enter once, provided such players occupy the same batting position whenever they are in the lineup. Exception. If the starting player currently not in the lineup is brought into the lineup as a replacement player. Players. A team shall consist of 8 players in following position. Andito si catcher sa number 2, si pitcher sa number 1, si first base sa number 1B, si third base sa 3B, si second base sa 2B or number 4, si shortstop sa number 6, si left field sa number 7, center field sa number 8, right field sa number 9. Substitute or illegal player. A substitute may take the place of a player whose name is in his team's lineup. The following regulation govern player substitutions. Dispute calls. Any team member disputing any judgment decision by an umpire will constitute a team warning. Any repeat offense shall result in the ejection of that team member. Dugout conduct. Coaches, players, substitutes, or other bench personnel shall not be outside the designated dugout area, except when the rules are allowed or when considered justified by the umpire. Replacement player. In the event of any player bleeding during the game, that player must be withdrawn from the game if the bleeding cannot be stopped within a reasonable length of becomes covered with blood. That's all. Thank you.